In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Hostinger using WordPress. Building a website from scratch can seem daunting, but by the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to tackle this project with confidence. Let's get started. First, we'll need to head to the Hostinger website. This is your starting point for setting up your new online home. If you haven't already, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up. It's a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger home panel, a user-friendly interface that makes website management a breeze. Next, let's move on to adding a website. On the main dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Websites. Click on this to open the website management area. Here you'll see an option called Add Website. This is where the magic begins. Clicking this button tells Hostinger that you're ready to start creating your web presence. It's like saying, I'm ready to put something out into the digital world. Once you've clicked Add Website, it's time to select the platform you'll use to build your site. For this tutorial, we'll use WordPress, a widely popular and versatile platform that's perfect for beginners and experienced webmasters alike. It offers a range of customizable themes and plugins that allow you to personalize your site. You might wonder why WordPress is such a popular choice. The reason is simple. It offers flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. Plus, with thousands of themes and plugins available, you can tailor your website exactly to your needs. Now, after selecting WordPress, Hostinger guides you through the installation process with step-by-step prompts. Ensure you follow these carefully as they'll help properly set up your site. It's important to remember to choose your domain name. This is your website address, so make it catchy and relevant to your content or business. Hostinger provides the option to easily connect your domain, making this step hassle-free. As the installation wraps up, take the time to explore WordPress's dashboard. This is your powerhouse where you can customize and manage every aspect of your website. From here, you can choose a theme that suits your style and purpose. You can also start adding content, such as blog posts, pages, and multimedia, which aligns with your site's goals. Creating a website doesn't have to be intimidating. And with Hostinger and WordPress, it's more accessible than ever. Remember, building a website is an ongoing journey. Feel free to experiment as you become more comfortable. With practice and patience, you'll see your site evolve into something truly remarkable. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for more insightful guides. Until next time, happy website building.